driving in the rain. What a crummy day it's been, I shouldn't complain. You know, you know, you know how it feels to drive through a storm. I'm a little bit worried because my tires are worn. Drip, drip, drop, drop. Pitter patter, rain never stops. But it doesn't really matter, life doesn't come on a silver platter.
I'm driving in the rain, just driving in the rain. The sound of the raindrops are driving me insane. Up another hill and around another curve. I'm still dreaming of the life I deserve. I'm still dreaming of the life I deserve.
Drip, drip, drop, drop. Pitter patter, rain never stops. But it doesn't really matter, success doesn't come on a silver platter. I'm driving in the rain, just driving in the rain. I can barely see the lines to stay in my lane. I'm watching all the raindrops fill my window, like the tears of sadness crying in my soul. Tired of facing all the roads and storms alone, rerouting the path to the gold. Drip, drip, drop, drop, drop. Pitter patter, rain never stops. But it doesn't really matter, love doesn't come on a silver platter. I'm driving in the rain, just driving in the rain. Raindrops wash my soul and heal my pain. The lightning strikes bright and the loud thunder roars. I see the sunflowers on the side of the road. Keep looking ahead, keep driving forward. There is always hope at the end of the storm. Drip, drop, drop, drop. Pitter patter, rain never stops. But it doesn't really matter.